guys, thanks so much for watching another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge from top to bottom, and I have Steven and Colson to help me. Okay, so right now I'm just taking everything out of the fridge. I'm going to want to quickly do this so I can quickly clean it up and put it all back, but more organized and put together. There we go. Hi guys. So I usually use a water, soap, a little bit of vinegar to clean the fridge, mostly anything in the household. That just really kind of takes all the bacteria and everything and makes it easier for it to go away. So now I guess since I'm all done, it's time to clean out the freezer. It's kind of cold. I've already finished taking out half the stuff. I had to warm up a little bit before I continued. I don't want to get hypothermia or frostbite. So after I clean it out with the same soap, water, and a little bit of vinegar, I'm putting everything back, but more organized. I like to organize it because it's easier to find things. As you can tell, I have fruits and veggies on the left and meats on the right. I'm all done, and this is my before. A little crowded, dirty, got a lot of stuff in there. And this is the after, more organized. You can really tell where everything is. So now I'm going to be cleaning off the top of the fridge. I haven't done that since I moved in, honestly. Just keep piling everything on there. I keep some of my pans on top because I don't have enough space or storage to put it where all the other pots are. So those are the more wider and bigger pans that I just keep on top. Now I'm just wiping it down with the same soap, water, and vinegar. I'll be wiping the outside too. And now, once I've done cleaned and wiped it down, I'm going to be placing some things back up there and putting the other things that shouldn't be up there back where it belongs. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.